Hey, Michael Rozbruch here, creator of the Tax Resolution Domination System and Toolkit and founder of Roz Strategies. And never let a client hire you only for an offer in compromise. Look, only 30 to 35% at most of your tax resolution clients are going to qualify for an offer in compromise because there's stringent requirements in order to be eligible. So most of your clients are going to be installment agreement clients, partial pay installment agreement clients, innocent spouse, currently not collectible. But here's the thing. When a client comes to you and they're a great candidate for an offer in compromise, but you got to remember that you can't guarantee anything. You can't guarantee what you're going to settle the case for. You can't guarantee any outcome because the IRS is the final arbiter. They have the final word. So when a client comes to you and you've determined that, because you've taken them through a financial consultation, that they're a good offer and compromise candidate, in your engagement letter, you put a couple of paragraphs. Number one is you're going to prepare, submit, and negotiate an offer and compromise, or, and that's the key word here, or, we have paragraph 2 and 3, or we're going to prepare, submit, negotiate an installment agreement, and paragraph number 3 is and penalty abatement. Because this way, in case the client doesn't qualify at the end of the day, or the IRS rejects or returns his offer in compromise, they're not upset. They're not asking you for a refund because you have determined, and you've also spoke to them, that, hey, if you don't qualify for an offer in compromise, or if we're not successful at the end of the day, we're also going to prepare an installment agreement or a penalty abatement, because the client is hiring you to resolve their case on a permanent basis. They're hiring you for representation. So even though they're a great offer and compromise candidate, what if they don't qualify at the end of the day? What if they're not eligible? You're still hired to represent and resolve that case on a permanent basis. So you have to include the or after the offer and compromise paragraph for installment agreement and penalty abatement. And that's the tip for today. We'll see you on the next video. If you want to learn more about the lucrative nature of tax resolution, click on the link below for some free training resources that I'd like to provide to you. Tax resolution is a way for you to generate profits and cash flow all year round. And on this free training, I teach you where to find clients that have tax problems, how to attract them to you, how to take them through the initial consultation, what to charge for certain resolution alternatives, and how to collect that money, all on this free training. So if you want to learn more, if you want to gain more profits, more cash flow during the year, and stop doing just cheap tax returns, click on the link below, and I'll see you on the other side.